Hello, today I will explain how to use the immobilizer feature in our CarX Android mobile application. Now, open our CarX application. Find the immobilizer feature and click on it. Choose your vehicle to activate the immobilizer. If you activate the immobilizer, the vehicle will shut off automatically, and it will be unable to start until you deactivate the immobilizer. Now I will show how to activate the immobilizer. Now I am starting my vehicle. Click on the Deactivate Vehicle option and warning pop-up will appear. Wait for 4 seconds, then click on Activate to activate the immobilizer. The immobilizer is now activated and you can notice that the vehicle will automatically turn off. Next I will show you how to deactivate the immobilizer. Click on Active Vehicle and the immobilizer will be deactivated. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe, like, and comment.